Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. All praise be to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala for His blessing, allowing us to discuss learning models for Islamic religious education, or PAI, that are suitable for Madrasah Ibtidaiyah students. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Adianto Gufar Bismantoro. I am a student of Islamic religious education at UIN Syarif Hidayatullah Jakarta. On this occasion, I will discuss about 1. PAI learning models for ME students, 2. The approach used, 3. Learning strategies, 4. Learning methods, and 5. Learning techniques. Explanation of PAI learning models for ME students. A learning model is a framework or pattern used by teachers in carrying out the learning process from beginning to end. According to Bruce Joyce and Marcel Weil, a learning model is a plan or pattern used to shape curriculum, design instructional materials, and guide classroom learning. At the ME level, learning models should be fun, concrete, active, suitable for children's development, connected to daily life experience. One suitable model is the contextual teaching and learning, or CTL model. The CTL model helps students understand religious lessons by relating them to real life situations. For example, when learning about the 5 daily prayers, the teacher not only explains the names of the prayers, but also encourage students to practice praying on time in their daily life. Besides CTL, other suitable learning models for ME students are 1. Cooperative learning, 2. Demonstration learning, 3. Role playing, 4. Habituation-based learning. These models help students become more active and enthusiastic during the learning process. Human discovered children learn better when they actually participate instead of silently staring at the wall while the teacher lectures for 40 minutes. A truly groundbreaking educational revelation. The approach used. An approach is a general perspective or way teachers conduct learning activities. Approach suitable for PAI learning in ME include student-centered approach. This approach focuses on students' participation during learning activities. Students are encouraged to ask questions, answer questions, and practice religious activities directly. Example: students practice mentioning the 5 daily prayers together in front of the class. Humanistic approach. This approach emphasizes students' character and moral development. Teachers not only teach theory but also build good habits and attitudes. Example: teachers encourage students to pray on time and respect others. Scientific approach. This approach consists of observation, questioning, experimenting, listening, communication. Example: students observe prayer movements, practice them, and explain the sequence again. Learning strategies. A learning strategy is a plan used by teachers so that learning objectives can be achieved effectively. Strategies suitable for PAI learning in ME include active learning strategy. Students actively participate in the learning process. Example: question and answer session, prayer practice, role playing, group discussions. Habituation strategy. This strategy is carried out repeatedly so it becomes part of students' character. Example: reciting prayers before learning, performing duha prayer together, greeting teachers politely. Comparative learning strategy. Students learn together in groups and help each other understand the lesson. Example, students work together to create posters about prayer schedule. Learning methods. A learning method is the way teachers deliver learning materials. Methods suitable for students include demonstration method. Teachers directly demonstrate prayer movement and procedures. This method helps students understand more easily because children at the elementary level learn effectively through direct practice. Storytelling method. Tell stories related to prayer and Islamic values. Example, stories about children who diligently perform prayers every day. Question and answer method. This method encourages students to think actively. Example, why should Muslims pray 5 times every day? Discussion method. Students discuss simple topic together. Example, discussing the benefit of prayer in daily life. Memorizing method. This method is used for memorizing prayer intention, short surah, and daily prayers. Learning techniques. Learning techniques are practical steps or specific way teachers apply learning method. Example of learning techniques in PAI learning are Islamic icebreaking active, reward and prize techniques, educational games, singing techniques, picture media techniques, direct practice technique. When learning when learning the 5 daily prayers, teachers use songs and pictures so students can memorize the prayer names more easily. Teachers can also use colorful posters showing prayer times such as Fajr, Duha, Asar, Maghrib, and Isya. This technique makes learning more enjoyable and interactive for children. Conclusion. In conclusion, PAI learning in MI should be adjusted to the characteristics of elementary age students who are active, enjoy learning through practice, and easily imitate behavior around them. Therefore, teachers need to choose interesting learning models, character builder approach, active learning strategies, varied teaching methods, creative learning techniques. Through appropriate learning methods, students not only understand Islamic teachings theoretical, but also practice them in daily life. Learning about the 5 daily prayers is important because prayer is one of the pillars of Islam and teaches discipline, responsibility, and obedience to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.